Hey everybody, I have a quick little video to do. Got an item from Amazon. I want to show you guys what it is. It's for the 4Runner, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I ordered this from Amazon probably, I don't know, like 2-3 months ago, back in like October or so of 2020. It just got here. It could be less than that. It could have been somewhere around November, early December when I ordered it. I don't remember. I already opened it because it was so long ago, I forgot what the heck it was. This is actually Toyota genuine parts, Lexus genuine parts. It is part number 12157-10010. These are gasket drain plugs. These will work on many years. These are not for transmissions or oil pans that I know of, for like engine oil pans. These are actually for the diffs, for the front and rear diffs. These are in particular, I ordered them for a 2000 Toyota 4Runner for my front and rear differentials. I do know that you can use these on some newer years for like the transmission plug, drain plug, and you could use them on some of the engine oil drains, dependent on your vehicle. I do know that these in particular only fit on my 2000 4Runner, the 3rd gen years. They only fit on the front and rear differentials. There's 10 of them in here. I paid, I think at the time it was like $6 or $5 or something like that. It's not bad. I'm actually, because they are actually in a genuine Toyota parts bag with a Toyota part number. It says Toyota Motor Corporation, made in Japan. I'm probably going to order probably 5 or 6, maybe 10 more of these at the price, because they're not expensive. And that way I'll have a bunch of them. What I've been doing for probably the last 18, 19 years is just reusing the one that came on the drain plug. So on both my front and rear diffs, they have the exact original crush washers on the drain plugs. It just, I guess me taking it in and out, filling it every so many miles, it had it and it doesn't seal anymore. So I bought a package of them. That way, you know, that crush washer has been on there for almost 20 years now, and the vehicle's 21 years old this year. So just a little quick haul. Picked up some crushable washers for the drain plug. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's all I got for you today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And top of the description below, I also have an Ulsa Tools link that will get you 10% off your order, ulsatools.com. Go check them out if you need anything from hand tools to toolbox organization. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace! Spaghetti tacos.